Clay, Pemiscot, Dunklin, northwestern Dyer, northwestern Obion, and Lake counties. At 7:19 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Portageville to near Hornersville, moving southeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Kennett, Caruthersville, Malden, Piggott, Portageville, Hayti, Steele, Campbell, Rector, Sinoff, Marmaduke, Reelfoot Lake State Park, Tiptonville, Ridgely, Holcomb, Hayti Heights, Cooter, Wardle, St. Francis, and Greenway. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 7:45 a.m. for the following counties: Dunklin, Missouri, and Obion, Tennessee.